Hi there, foodie lovers. So let's start. You know the drill, right? Heat up your oil on a medium-high heat, then add butter. Once your oil and butter are ready, we're going to saute first the red onions. We're just gonna saute it for 3 to 4 minutes or until translucent. Then add garlic. Just make sure not to burn your garlic because it would taste bitter. Next is by adding your ginger. Saute for a minute or two, then add tomatoes. For the tomatoes, we're just going to saute it until the texture has a wilted in appearance. Next is by adding the pork. Saute and season it with 2 pinches of salt and a dash of ground black pepper. And then for this time, we're just gonna cover this for about 5 minutes or until cooked. Then I'm just giving it a quick stir. Then what I'm doing here is I am setting the pork on the other side of the pan and then place your shrimp on the other side. Season it with salt and ground black pepper as well. Then once shrimp turned into pink, we're just combine it all together, just like so. And then add your salted shrimp. Then we're just gonna mix it all in together. Then after doing so, it's time for coconut milk. And remember that all the exact measurements are in the description box down below. So after coconut milk, add water. Then mix it a little bit and then let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the squash. For the squash, cook it for 20 minutes or until fork tender. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. So I'm just giving it a quick stir. And then I'm showing you guys how I check my squash. I'm using a fork for that. And then after doing so, it's time to add the green beans. Yes, you can use green beans or sitaw. Then just cook it for another 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, this is how it looks like for the green beans. And then at this time, you're done. You can adjust it according to your desired taste. And then you can turn off the heat, transfer it to a serving plate, get your rice ready, of course, and then enjoy. Thank you for watching.
Excellent.